Okay, Tintin, you put it here.
I want to put
Like that.
it here.
There.
I want to put it
Okay,
here.
here's yours.
Wow.
Here's yours. Okay.
I want this.
Yeah, I know. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There's yours, Tintin.
Okay,
Thank you. Oh, this is yours. This is Kuya. This is Kuya's. Here you go. That's yours.
thank you.
You're welcome. This is yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's yours. And this is yours. Why are you so far? Hey, why you keep on moving? Here you go. There. Okay.
Hey!
Alright. We're making, what are we making?
Kuchinta.
Kuchinta at 9:30. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock. Almost 10 o'clock.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's almost bedtime. Bedtime. Time to sleep, Adrian.
Wait.
Huh? You go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's
That's
have
yours.
what?
We have a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We need.
Tintin, sit on the middle.
We need this.
What? Okay, here's more, Tintin. Yeah, put it there. Good job. Thank you.
You have what?
Good job. Okay.
Yeah, I can reach it.
You can reach it? Okay, here you go. Oops. Oops.
Whoa.
Are we done there?
No.
Look at Tintin. Oh. Look at Tintin. She's almost full.
Okay, I will hurry.
Yeah, you will hurry.
Yeah?
Okay. No rush, no rush. It's okay. I need to turn it on.
Oh.
Alright. Alright, I need you to count that after you put everything, okay? Can you count how many? Okay? Alright, Tintin, how many are they? Let's see. Adrian, you count yours.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Dami.
25.
Why is it kulang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I need 21. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now.
This is go here.
Okay, that goes there in the middle.
This
Right there.
is go. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah,
And this is go here.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da.
Whoa, ta-da!
Da-da-da-da.
Yes.
Okay.
Just leave it like that.
Okay, just leave it like that.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now we're gonna wait till the water boil, okay? Alright. Okay, let's put it here for a second. Now, we will wait.